Today, we're delving into the delightful world of candle making. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, join us as we explore the step-by-step process of creating beautiful candles right in the comfort of your own home. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need wax, choose from soy, beeswax, or paraffin, wicks, fragrance oils or essential oils, a double boiler or microwave-safe container, a thermometer, and candle molds or containers. Once you have everything ready, we can move on to the next step. Now it's time to melt the wax. If you're using a double boiler, fill the bottom pot with water and place the wax in the top pot. Heat the water gently, allowing the wax to melt slowly. If you prefer using a microwave, place the wax in a microwave-safe container and heat it in short bursts, stirring frequently until fully melted. Be sure to keep an eye on the temperature with your thermometer, as overheating can affect the quality of your candles. Once your wax is melted, it's time to add fragrance and color. Whether you're in the mood for the soothing scent of lavender or the invigorating aroma of citrus, the choice is yours. Simply add a few drops of your chosen fragrance oil or essential oil to the melted wax and stir gently to distribute evenly. If you want to add color to your candles, now's the time to do so. You can use specially formulated candle dyes or even crayons for a more vibrant hue. While your scented wax is still warm, prepare your molds or containers. Place the wicks in the center of each mold, ensuring they stand upright. You can use a wick holder or simply secure them in place with tape or a dab of melted wax at the bottom. This step is crucial for ensuring your wicks remain centered as the candles cool and solidify. With your molds prepared and your wax scented and colored to perfection, it's time to pour. Carefully pour the melted wax into each mold, filling them to the desired level. Take your time and pour slowly to avoid spills or air bubbles. Once filled, set the candles aside to cool and solidify completely. This process may take a few hours, so be patient and resist the urge to disturb them. Once your candles have cooled and hardened, it's time to remove them from the molds. Gently tap the sides of the molds to loosen the candles, then carefully pop them out. If you're using flexible silicone molds, you can simply peel them away. If you encounter any resistance, you can place the molds in the freezer for a few minutes to help release the candles more easily. Before lighting your candles, don't forget to trim the wicks to about ½ inch in length. This helps prevent smoking and ensures a clean, even burn. You can use scissors or a wick trimmer for this step. Once trimmed, your candles are ready to be lit and enjoyed. Now that your candles are ready, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the warm glow and soothing scents of your homemade creations. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy night in or adding ambience to a special occasion, your handcrafted candles are sure to delight all who experience them. And there you have it, folks. Crafting candles at home is not only a fun and rewarding hobby, but also a great way to personalize your space and create ambience. So why not give it a try? Experiment with different scents, colors, and styles to discover your own unique candle making style. We hope you've enjoyed this guide and feel inspired to embark on your own candle making journey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy crafting!